To stand up straight with your shoulders back is to accept the terrible responsibility of life, with eyes wide open. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Treat yourself as if you were someone you were responsible for helping. The purpose of life is finding the largest burden that you can bear and bearing it. You can only find out what you actually believe by watching how you act. The truth is something that burns, it burns off deadwood, and people don't like having their deadwood burned off often because they're 95% deadwood. If you don't say what you think, then you kill your unborn self. If you don't have a powerful and truthful vocabulary, it's really hard to think. The successful among us delay gratification. The successful among us bargain with the future. You should never sacrifice what you could be for what you are. It is better to do what everyone has always done, unless you have some extraordinarily valid reason not to. The purpose of guilt is to stop you from doing the same thing twice. You cannot be protected from the things that frighten you and hurt you, but if you identify with the part of your being that is responsible for transformation, then you are always the equal, or more than the equal, of the things that frighten you. You should never treat yourself like a means to an end. It is a mistake to think that the best way to express yourself is to do whatever you want, acting on your impulses. If you're aiming at something, then you're improving, and you're a successful person. There is no faith and no courage and no sacrifice in doing what is expedient. You're not after happiness, you're after something richer and deeper, which is meaning. It is not virtuous to be victimized by a bully, even if that bully is oneself. The only way that you can tolerate the meaninglessness of life is to find some sense in what you're doing.